Welcome back to What's New in O-Gauge. This is our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we have announcements from Atlas, Lionel, MTH, and more. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Atlas will be producing an exclusive and limited production Premier GP38-2 diesel in Long Island colors exclusively for Nassau Hobby Center. The model is expected to arrive in late 2025, and the pre-order price is $659.99. Lionel Trains will be producing an exclusive and limited edition A6 Class 442 Atlantic steamer in unique Norfolk and Western colors for the train loft. The models are expected to arrive in late 2025 and have an early order price of $999.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge boxcar with power meter, decorated exclusively for retailer The Train Doctor. The cars will be available in 2 unique car numbers, both in extremely limited quantities beginning in October 2025. The early order price is $79.95 each. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale GP-7 diesel locomotive in Ohio Central colors for Hobby Express. The locomotives will be offered in extremely limited quantities beginning in July 2025. The early order price is $549.95. MTH will be producing 2 exclusive and limited edition Santa and Reindeer Rail King flat cars for Train World. One car will be lettered for 2025 and the other for 2026. The cars are expected to arrive in September 2025 and have a pre-order price of $99.99 each. MTH Electric Trains will also be producing 2 exclusive and limited edition Christmas gondola cars with lighted snowmen for Train World. One car will be numbered 2025 and the other 2026. The cars are expected to arrive in September 2025 and have an early order price of $99.99 each. MTH will be producing 4 exclusive and limited edition boxcars with operating signalmen for Train World, 2 each decorated for Long Island and Strasbourg. The cars are expected to arrive in December 2025 and have an early order price of $119.99 each. MTH Electric Trains will be producing an exclusive and limited edition Beetlejuice flat car with flickering lighted candles for Nassau Hobby Center. The car will be available in 2 numbers and is expected to arrive in September 2025. The early order price is $79.99 each. Sedgwick O-Scale Models has announced a new 3D printed structure kit, Rosie's Flower Shop. This colorful and unique structure includes an optional 3-sided greenhouse and a collection of flower pots and 4 bushes. Assembly and painting are required. The model is available for pre-order exclusively through Mr. Muffin's Trains with a pre-order price of $129.95. And remember to visit our virtual storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from some of the links in this video. What's New in O-Gauge is published every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and remember to check out our long-format videos on the Toy Train Tips and Tricks channel every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.